I'm Eric Davidson, the president of the American Geophysical Union. We're a group of about 60,000 Earth and space scientists, and I think a bunch of them are in this room. Are you here? Yeah. Well, I'm marching for science because investment in science pays. And our scientists are on many different disciplines. For instance, in atmospheric sciences, our work helps improve weather prediction, which helps every sector of our economy. And so investment in science pays. Our biogeochemists work with farmers and foresters to optimize productivity and profit while minimizing pollution. And so investment in science pays. Our hydrologists study droughts and floods, help municipalities manage their water supplies, farmers able to irrigate. And so, investment in science pays. We study natural hazards such as earthquakes and storm surges and hurricanes, tsunamis, in order to protect infrastructure. And actually, infrastructure is in these days, politically speaking. But if we're going to invest in infrastructure, we darn well better protect it. And also help humans get out of the way of those natural hazards with appropriate warnings. And so, investment in science pays. We study the oceans, which are important for fisheries, for navigation, for understanding how heat is transported from the equator to the poles, which influences our ability to understand climate. And so, investment in science pays. We even study the sun, which, by understanding changes in the energy of the sun and solar storms, which can interact with, can affect our electrical grid and our GPS and our navigation systems, that affects national security and every sector of society. And so, investment in science pays. But I could give you a lot more examples. I'll spare you. But this isn't so much about us up here, we talking heads telling you about this. This march is about each and every one of you, each and every one of us, coming up with our own narrative. Not in terms of introduction, methods, results, and discussion, but narratives that we can share with our family members, our neighbors, our fellow worshipers, in terms that resonate. Why is it that we're passionate about our science and why we think our science makes such a difference that we are confident that investment in science pays? Thank you all for coming.